Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to show you how to make this creamy curry shrimp alfredo pasta. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Let's get right into the video. This meal is very easy and simple to prepare. All you need is your pasta, your vegetables, your shrimp, and cream. So first we're going to start off by ensuring that our shrimp is seasoned. Then we're going to cook our pasta. You want to ensure that you don't overcook the pasta so that it is soft and saggy. You want to ensure that it is still firm but cook. Once the pasta is cooked, you're going to shock it with some cold water to prevent the pasta from overcooking until you are ready for it. In a frying pan, we're going to melt some butter and we're going to also add some crushed garlic. Then we're going to add some curry to the frying pan and we're going to brown it just a bit. Afterwards, we're going to add the shrimp to the frying pan and you're going to cook your shrimp based on how you like it. But you want to ensure that you don't overcook the shrimp and let it get all rubbery. We don't want that. Afterwards, we're going to saute the vegetables together with the shrimp, but we're only going to saute the vegetables on very low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to ensure that the vegetables are still crunchy and they are not overcooked and saggy. We don't want that at all. Afterwards, we're going to add our cream. We're also going to add our cheese and we're going to turn the heat on medium and allow the sauce to thicken. Then we're going to add the cooked pasta to the sauce and then we're going to mix to get all that sauce well coated on our pasta. Look at that, very cheesy and creamy. So guys, we're going to coat the pasta with the sauce and get everything fully combined. And guys, afterwards, that's just it. If you want to go ahead and add some extra cheese, it's all up to you, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. like the video, share the video, comment and let me know if you enjoyed the video, if it was informative, if it was helpful, and if you're going to try this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy, and bye bye. Look at that cheesy, creamy curry shrimp Alfredo pasta. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.